Hello, friends, welcome back. So, in our last episode, we had reached Annecy, and from there, we would be continuing our journey to Chamonix. So, if you had seen my last episode, then you would have known that we had a very tiring journey which had brought us only halfway. If you have not seen that episode, please go and see that episode first. Because only after seeing that episode you will understand why I was so excited to reach at least halfway through. From Annecy, we were supposed to catch a bus that would take only 30 minutes to drop us to Chamonix. Hush! We were already stretching out our tired legs and body on the cozy bed. But after waiting for the bus for more than an hour, the bus driver did not let us board the bus as we did not have car seat for our 3-year-old daughter. गुस्सा तो इतना आया था कि आई थॉट आई कुड हैव फॉट विद द ड्राइवर. बट कैसे? फ्रेंच भले ही थोड़े बहुत आती हो बट आर्ग्यू करने जितना तो पक्का नहीं आती थी. Luckily, a woman standing there helped us understand the situation, but the driver was adamant not to let us enter the bus. छोड़ो. For the first time ever, I was calm. So we went back to the train station and checked out if there was a train available. Et voila! There was. Okay, so here's one tip from my side. Try booking your tickets online rather than buying at the station as they are fairly expensive when you buy them at the station. And another tip is always check if you may need to have a car seat in that particular region, be it in a bus or taxi, because in some places they don't take you in the car or bus if you don't have a car seat for your kid. Luckily, we had an option of train. So then began our journey from Annecy to Chamonix. And this was not a direct train either. We took the train to Gare de la Roche-sur-Foron, then a changeover to Saint-Hervé-les-Bains, and then to Chamonix. So now, while we are on our way to Chamonix, let me tell you about this village. So what happened is, in 1741, two Englishmen, Windham and Pocock, discovered Chamonix, the valley and its glaciers, and their expedition was met by a rural population of mountain farmers. Now this community spent their lives raising livestock with a harvest of oats and rye. As Windham and Pocock explored the valley, they visited the largest glacier in France and the Mer de Glace, which is the Sea of Ice, where we will be going in the next episodes. The first guest house was opened in 1770 by Madame Coutheron. I will definitely be giving you more information of Chamonix and also taking you to visit places in Chamonix in the upcoming episodes. But for now, I would like you all to enjoy this journey to Chamonix. In this journey, you will come across beautiful bridges, scenic beauty, beautiful houses, chalets, and not to forget the gorgeous snow-covered mountains. And I hope you all will enjoy it till you reach Chamonix. हात येतो वाटतं वॉक वासू खाली बघ खाली तो वॉक का काय म्हणतात ट्रेन हा दे रे बाबा नाही ती पण होती रिव्हर त्या साईडला काय आलं ते सांगा मागे कर तिला पूर्ण मागे होऊन बस मागे हो अजून अजून सरळ कर बाबा सरळ कर तुला ट्री हाऊस बांधलाय त्यांनी ट्री हाऊस And finally, the place I have spoken so much about is here. I will be showing you around this place in the upcoming episodes. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so that you will know when I upload my next video. I am so excited to show you guys around and I hope you are excited as well. So see you next time इसी channel पे. Till then, हुआ.